Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. So, as per India Meteorological Department forecast, a low pressure area has formed over southeast and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of Andaman Sea and Andaman Nicobar Island, and this low pressure area is likely to intensify into a depression by tomorrow and thereafter into a deep depression by day after tomorrow. So we will discuss in detail about this low pressure area and its further intensification, and after this the rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu, as today very heavy rainfall has been realized over Tamil Nadu at 7 stations, and heavy rainfall has been realized at more than 30 stations with the 17 centimeter maximum rainfall over Tamil Nadu. So this rainfall activity is likely to continue over Tamil Nadu today as well as tomorrow, and thereafter it would decrease. So this was about the rainfall over the southern peninsular India and about the low pressure area. Now we will look into it in detail. So first of all, if we talk about the low pressure area, so today the low pressure area is over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Andaman Sea, and this is likely to move west-northwestwards and concentrate into a depression by tomorrow morning, and thereafter it would start moving northwestward and become a deep depression by day after tomorrow morning, that is 16th 5:30 hours IST of 16th. As we can see here, it is 30 knot wind. It will have 30 knot wind, maximum sustained surface wind in the morning of 16th of November, and thereafter it would recurve and move north-northeastward and reach northwest Bay of Bengal off Odisha coast. As we can see here, on 18th of morning, we can see here it is a depression over northwest Bay of Bengal off Odisha coast with the maximum sustained surface winds of 20 knots. So under the influence of this low pressure area and its further intensification, as we can see here that the wind speed of 40 to 45 kmph gusting to 55 kmph is prevailing over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of Andaman Sea and East Central Bay of Bengal. And as the system moves west-northwestward and intensifies further, so the wind speed tomorrow over West Central Bay and adjoining parts of East Central Bay and adjoining parts of South Bay would be of the order of 45 to 55 gusting to 65 kmph, and thereafter it would keep increasing and become 50 to 60 kmph gusting to 70 kmph over West Central and adjoining Northwest Bay of Bengal on 16th of November, and along and off North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast, it would be of the order of 45 to 55 kmph gusting to 65 kmph on 16th of November, and on 17th of November the wind speed would be 50 to 60 kmph gusting to 70 kmph over Northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining parts of West Central Bay of Bengal, and along and off Odisha coast it would be of the order of Odisha and West Bengal coast, it would be of the order of 45 to 55 kmph gusting to 65 kmph. On 18th of November the wind speed would slightly decrease and it would be of the order of 45 to 55 kmph gusting to 65 kmph over Northwest Bay and adjoining parts of Northeast Bay and along and off Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh coasts. So this was about the wind warning associated with the system over the Bay of Bengal, and since we have a cyclonic circulation over Southwest Bay of Bengal and over and adjoining parts of Sri Lanka, and there is a trough extending from this cyclonic circulation to the cyclonic circulation associated with the low pressure area over Southeast Bay of Bengal. So under the influence of, as this system moves west-northwestward, so this trough would start moving westward and would have kind of north-south orientation, and so under the influence of this cyclonic circulation, as very heavy rainfall has been already realized over Tamil Nadu. So today again there is possibility of very heavy rainfall activity over the districts of Viluppuram, Kudalur, Mailaduturai, Karaikal, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur and Tanjavur. And out of these stations over the districts, over the delta districts of Mailaduturai, Karaikal, Tiruvarur and Nagapattinam, one or two stations may also report more than 20 centimeter rainfall. That is extremely heavy rainfall. And the rainfall over the yellow colored district, which are Pudukottai, Tiruchirappalli, Perambalur, Aryalur and Kalla Kurichi and Tiruvannamalai and Chengalpattu and Kanchipuram, isolated heavy rainfall activity is likely. And over this entire coastal and adjoining parts of interior Tamil Nadu, widespread light to moderate rainfall would continue till tomorrow. And tomorrow again there would be probability of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over the northern districts of coastal Tamil Nadu, that is north coastal Tamil Nadu. And if we talk about the rainfall warning over the remaining parts of the country, which would be obviously under the influence of this Bay of Bengal system. So isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall would be likely over coastal Odisha on 16th of November, and isolated heavy rainfall activity would be likely over coastal Odisha on 17th of November, and isolated heavy rainfall would be likely over coastal West Bengal on 16th and 17th of November, and over Manipur, over Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur, isolated heavy rainfall would be likely on 16th, 17th and 18th of November, and over Assam, especially over South Assam and Meghalaya, isolated heavy rainfall would be likely on 17th of November. Over rest parts of the country, the weather would remain dry and there would be no significant change over in the minimum temperatures. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.